What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $3,000 per month with 0 followers on Instagram. Now, most people that look at Instagram and think, oh, I can make money with that, but I don't have a following. I'm going to show you a way that you can go with 0 followers. You don't even need an account. You do not need to build a brand, nothing like that. Okay, and you can start making money right now. It's very simple. It's something that I do. I've been doing it for a little while, been very successful with it, and have been teaching other people to do the exact same thing. Now, you probably wondered, why would I show this to you? The reason why I'm showing you this, number one, what I do here on the Homemade Entrepreneur channel is I show you different ways to make money. The second thing is, there's so many accounts on Instagram, I really don't care. I don't care about giving the strategy away, because why? There's not going to be that many people that watch this video that are going to take this strategy and just start making money and take away my paycheck. Take away your paycheck. It's not going to happen, okay? There's so many accounts on Instagram, you do not have to worry, all right? So let me show you how this works. So, right here on Instagram, what you got to understand is most Instagram influencers, most Instagram account holders, personalities, creators, whatever you want to call them, most of them do not have a link. They do not have a link that they share. The reason why they don't is because, number one, what are they going to share? They don't have a website. They don't have a Shopify store. They don't have products they sell, or they're not an affiliate marketer trying to earn commissions, but they should be. And the reason why most people are not making money, number one, is because they don't have a link. There's nothing that they're pointing their viewers, their followers to. So how are they going to make money? One of the things that I've noticed, that all the people that want to make money, they're just missing that key thing, and that's the link. Okay, so here's what I want to show you, and this is something that's very simple. There is something out there that's called Linktree. You can see it right here. You can also see it on my account right here, right? When I click that link, this is what it looks like. Okay, it says Homemade Entrepreneur, and it has 5 different links right here. You can have more links, and you can also get rid of this where it says Linktree if I paid for it. It's free. Okay, so I have these 5 different links. People can come in here and click on any one of these, and it will take them to that website of mine. However, most people don't have this. The reason why they don't have it is because they don't know about it. Okay, right here, Linktree. Okay, you can see it. And also, you can sign up for free. Okay, very simple. Now, here's the next part. Just because somebody has a Linktree account, okay, that I just showed you, and you can go set them up and do all that stuff, great, good job for you. But where are they going to send people? How are they going to make money? That's what I'm going to show you in today's video. Now, I've shown you how you can go and create Instagram posts. I've shown you how you can create a profile picture. I've shown you how to add more Instagram followers. All different services. There are 3 different services that you can go and sell. Okay? That's not what this video is. Yes, I'm going to show you another service. However, this is something completely different. Okay? Let me show you. So right here, let's say I type something in here. I just typed in fitness goals. Okay? Right here, fitness goals. Here's what I want to show you. There are so many people on Instagram. Okay? There's over almost 7 million posts just for hashtag fitness goals. Okay? What I want to show you is that there are so many people here. Look at this one. Okay? Let me open that one. Okay? Get out of that. You know, there's this guy right here. Okay? Look at him. Mr. Fields. Okay? So there he is. So here's what I want to show you. So look at that. No link. Let's go over to this person. Cool. She has a Linktree account. Awesome. Let's open that up. Okay? So she has a Linktree account. This person doesn't. Has over 5,000 followers. Okay? 455 likes. 811, 700 and something, 800, 2,000. Okay? This person's getting likes. Okay? Getting engagement. However, where are they funneling their traffic? Really to nobody. Here's what we do. Okay? And here's why most people are struggling. One of the easiest ways for you to make money and for them to make money is, number one, to utilize their following and create a t-shirt. Okay, something very simple. Create a t-shirt. Look at this. Under Armour created this t-shirt. Okay, it's very simple, very basic. Cool little t-shirt. I bought it. Okay, well, you can create the t-shirt, or you can hire somebody to create a t-shirt design. Okay, let me show you this. Here on Fiverr.com, yes, Fiverr.com is one of my personal favorites. Use it all the time. You can go to Fiverr.com, see it right there. I typed in t-shirt design. Look here. Okay, I will do trendy t-shirt design within 24 hours, starting at $10. I will do creative t-shirt design for you, starting at $5. So what if I went to Jordan Fields? Okay, so I'm on my phone, I'm picking up my phone, I'm gonna DM him, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna send him. But I'm gonna pick up my phone, I'm gonna send him this message, this DM that says, hey, this is what I do. I can create a t-shirt design for you, and I'm not even gonna drop the price, or say what the price is. But what I'm gonna do is say, I will create a t-shirt design for you. You pay me for the t-shirt design. It's yours. You sell it. You make money for every single shirt that you sell. Okay? What's the likelihood that he decides, okay, that's a good idea because I'm getting some engagement. I'm getting likes on my photos. Why not monetize my account? Just like Danielle up here, don't you think she wants to make money? Well, let's see what her Linktree account says. Okay? Fitonomy, use code No Bull Women Apparel. Okay, what is Twin Body? Look at all this. My Y. Okay, great. She has a bunch of stuff. So that wouldn't be a good person to contact because she already has that stuff. But Jordan Fields right here, that would be somebody you can contact. Okay, so it's the exact same thing with my account. I have a Linktree account. You wouldn't contact me because I already signed up. Here it is. Okay, good to go. Okay. But the amount of people out there that are going to have a t-shirt made, give me coffee and no one gets hurt, okay? They actually have their own thing right here. So you can see it right here. They actually have a bunch of different t-shirt designs. You can buy them all on their website, okay? All you have to do, come up here to Instagram, go to the search bar or the search function and type in something. Let's say summer, or let's go beach body. Type that in, beach body. Let's just see. Now I typed in beach body because chances are I can find somebody that's working out or something. You want to find somebody that has a decent amount of engagement. Okay, let's just click on these people. Okay, and just see. Look at that, 4,000 followers, no link. Okay, no link, but 5 views, 111, 300 something. Okay, so would they be willing to pay for something like that? Yeah, probably. Okay, and how much does it cost to really create a t-shirt? Well, for you, you're going to pay somebody unless you want to do it yourself, which I don't recommend because this is going to be something that you want to scale, and it's going to be very hard to create, 10 different t-shirt designs. Okay, if you want to make $3,000 a month, I highly recommend you charge $25 to $30 for one t-shirt to create that design. Next, you're going to pay somebody between probably $5 to $10 to create the design for you. So let's say it costs you $10 to create the shirt, you sell it for $25. You're going to make $15 per shirt that you sell. However, you need to at least get 7 people every single day, 30 days a month, to pay you to do this, or you're not going to make the $3,000 a month. Okay, it's guaranteed. It's simple facts, simple math. You have to do it. Now, let me show you something. This right here, okay, you can take this, you can modify it, you can do whatever you want with it. This right here is pretty much the exact same thing I send people. Okay, now I changed it just a little bit. I pulled it from my phone. All I do is I keep a little note on my phone. Okay, I have an iPhone, little note, and I take that, I copy it, and I paste it over on Instagram. Okay, inside someone's DM. Very simple. Let me read it to you. Hey, I'm gonna do it for Jordan Fields right here. Hey Jordan, I'm loving your IG account. Great job on all the content. I noticed that you've been posting regularly on Instagram, but that you don't have a link in your bio. The reason I mention this is because I'm an Instagram monetization specialist and I help influencers such as yourself earn a living from their account. You may be wondering how I go about doing this. Well, it's actually quite simple. I create a t-shirt design for you and then you sell it. I simply make the design just like you want it, and then you direct traffic to a third-party website which makes, ships, and handles all customer service for you. It's called print on demand, and I simply help influencers like you create a business from it. I know you may have questions, so if you do, please contact me. I'll be more than happy to explain in more detail. Thanks. I look forward to working with you. and I'd put my name right here. You can take this exact same thing, this template, and you can use it exactly how you want it. You can use it as is, you can copy it word for word, or change it up, mix it up, and make it work for you. Let me give you some advice, okay? Because you need to get 7 people to agree to this service. So how many people do you need to contact per day? I'd recommend you contact anywhere between 25 and 50 people per day, because that's going to give you about 7 people, okay, that will convert. And that is only if you contact the right people. If you're contacting people that have 2,000 Instagram followers, they're probably not going to hire you because they're not really going to make much money from it. I'd recommend you go after people that has 5,000 or higher with a high engagement rate. What I mean by engagement rate, you don't want to go after somebody with 10,000 followers that gets 20 likes per post. You don't want to go after somebody like me either that has 10,000 followers, gets 100, 200 likes per post. However, they post, once or twice a week. That's not going to work, okay? You want to go after somebody that's posting every single day, busting their butt, producing quality content, but they don't have a link. There's no way for them to monetize their account. There's no way for them to make money. That's where you come in. You have to explain to these people, these Instagram influencers, followers, whatever, content creators, whatever you even call them, you have to explain to them that they can make money even with a small account. Okay? Let me just give you the story real quick. But I had a friend that only had about 400, 500 followers. Okay? It was on a very, very niche account. And he had 400 to 500 followers. He's been running this account, had a couple hundred pictures. It's not really going anywhere. What I did was I simply made a t-shirt design for him, and it had a saying that he always uses in his videos, and it had the saying, and a couple people bought it in the first week. Okay, I don't know what exactly he made off it. Probably made anywhere from $10 to $15 total from those two t-shirts that sold. But that was 100 times more than he's made, a million times more than he's made, because he's never made a single cent from his Instagram account until I showed him what was possible. And that's what you need to do. That's where most people struggle, is they want to keep posting. They want to keep this up. They want to make it an actual job. The problem is, how? Nobody has ever showed them how to create a t-shirt design. Where to go, where to put it, how to add the link to Instagram. People don't show them that. And if you're there in their corner, then you can actually help them. And when you're going to make $15 to $20 per t-shirt design, and all you're doing is paying somebody to create it, and then you send the created shirt to the buyer, you're just the middleman. The middleman is going to make 2 to 3 times as much as the person that created the shirt, just because you were thinking differently. All right, so that's all I really want to show you guys today. Yes, you can make $3,000 a month. You can make $100 a month on Instagram. You do not need a following. You do not need anything. All you need is a passion, a drive, and the willingness to succeed in this business, which I call a service business. Okay, service businesses have been around for years and not going anywhere, and you can make some money from it right now. So if you have any questions on this business, on additional businesses, you can always ask down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Want more videos on how to make money with Instagram? Also, click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.